Basil Invoicing is a feature that lets you log invoices to clients, associate them with sent invoices, and keep track of their due and pay dates. To access the invoicing tracker features, click on the Invoicing tab at the top. By default, Basil will show you invoicing in a list of all clients for the given year. You can filter your invoicing by using the Select Client filter at the top of the page, as well as a calendar year. Before creating an invoice, service items must be created. You can create 3 types of billing modes. Fixed billing. The quantity and rate for these service items can be directly entered on the invoice. Use this if your billing rate is fixed, irrespective of the hours spent. Hourly billing. The number of hours logged by the account owner and team members, multiplied by their hourly billing rates, is totaled for this service item. Service billing. This uses the total number of hours logged by team members for a particular service, multiplied by the service's billing rate. To get to the Service Items table, click the Service Items button at the top right of the Billing tab view. Click Add. Pick the billing mode from the drop-down, and add the required details. For billing mode set to Service Billing, a service name drop-down will appear for you to select the task type from. We will also confirm our team members have a billing rate set up in the People tab. And that we have billable tasks with hours logged for the task type we're setting up service billing for. To create a new invoice, in the Invoicing tab, click New Invoice at the top right. This will bring you to the Create Invoice screen. Here you will need to fill out all required fields, including the client, the recurrence of the invoice period to and from dates, and the invoice address of the client, which is accessible from the pencil icon. Now we can add service line items to the invoice. This requires the service performed, which is pulled from the service items list. You will enter the quantity of the services during the billing period if using a fixed billing service item. We'll click Add Line Item after each line. If using an hourly or service billing service item, you will link a billable task to the rate. The rate column will change to have a clickable Add from Tasks button. Clicking this button will list all in progress and completed tasks for this client that have the billable field ticked from the time logged and the date range specified in the invoice. If you are able to link the tasks you want, you can save the new invoice when you're ready. Otherwise, if you do not see any tasks in this view, go to the Tasks tab. Ensure there are in progress or completed tasks assigned to this client that you wish to be billable. Click the Edit icon and click the Billable field if it is not enabled already. And then click Save. Open the task and log time to it. Then you should be able to link that task to invoices. To view or edit the information you entered, you can click on the invoice number on the left side. The list will show you summary information about the invoice on each line. You may also convert any invoice to a downloadable PDF document by clicking on the PDF option in the Actions menu.